Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a video into audio, especially if you're trying to upload the audio on Soundbook audio. So this step will help you to convert the video into audio. So any audio, any video, you'll be able to do it. So first, you have to download the iMovie software, which is from App Store, which is from Apple. So you got to make sure the iMovie is already downloaded on your computer. Now I'm going to create a new folder. So I'm going to click on create and choose movie. All right. So when I click on choose movie, I see this interface. So in here, I'm going to import the media, the video that you're trying to convert into audio. So click on import. Okay, so this one is a bit confusing because it gives you a lot of folders, which is not clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop drop it. So I'm going to go to my files finder. Okay, get it here and drop right here. So I'm going to drop it here. So you basically go to your folders and click on it and you drag it right there. So once you do that, so as you can see, this is a video. I wanted to transfer, to. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is right here on the top here, you can see there are some settings, right? Which allows you to, if you click here, it gives you reduced background noise. So we can reduce background noise by moving this pointer, right? So you click check and they'll be able to reduce it, make it to 0%. In the case if the audio has some background noise. Okay, so, or we can just leave it as is if you want, depending on your media. Okay, so let's go, if you click here, so here it gives you, you can increase the level of the audio. Some audios are a bit not very audible, so you might need to increase them, right, 400%, or you can lower the volume of other clips. So these settings will allow you to really adjust the level of the audio. It's very useful, especially some videos where the sound is not clear. So these few settings on the top here will allow you to to adjust and clarify the sound. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on project, okay, because I wanted to save this project. Click on project and give it a name. So let's see how to convert video into audio. All right, so this is the name of the folder, of the file. I click OK. So now we have it right here. So here what you do is you click on these three dots, right? And it gives you options. The options are right here, okay? Let me make sure that my audio is working. All right. All right, so now we click on here and you scroll down to share project. On share project, you scroll down to file. When you click on file, this is the windows that it gives you. So it's very important. So you might need to also edit the description, okay? So let's click to make sure that the video is has the right description. I'm sorry, the file has the right description. So we're gonna turn it into audio. Okay, and the format, which is really important. So this is where you really need to change. So the format as you can see, you see video and audio format. We are trying to get it into audio only. So you click audio only, right? So when you click audio only, it gives you different format, file format. So in the file format, you choose MP3. Okay, so these formats are really important because otherwise, uh, it's not going to translate into, it's not going to convert it into audio. Even when you're trying to upload it to Soundbook Audio, it has to have that format. Otherwise, it's not going to be functional. So you can click on MP3. Okay, voila. So these format are important. Okay, make sure the first format is audio only, and the second format is MP3. And then we click next. So now we are trying to save it into, you save the MP3 into whatever file you want, right? So we click save it. So on the right corner here, you can see it's moving. So now the file is saved on your computer. So let's see. Give me 1 second. Right. Okay. So I'm trying to locate the file. Okay. If we click on if we click here, no, I'm sorry. Give me 1 second. All right. So let's click. Okay, so I was able to locate the MP3 that we just created. So right there in the middle, I'm going to click on it so that I can play it. Okay. So as you can see right here. Okay, I'm going to show you this website. It's a really good website to book anyone for. Okay, so this is the audio, it's playing. So now what you can do is you save it on your phone, and then you'll be able to upload it to Soundbook Audio. So it's very simple process. So this video is about converting video that you have into audio in MP3 format, right? Then once you are able to do that, then you'll be able to upload it on Soundbook Audio. So I would recommend that you download the app on App Store and give us your feedback. Thank you.